Hey, welcome back to our channel. In this video, we'll guide you through the process of changing your cover photo on Facebook using your PC. Let's jump right in. Step 1. Open Facebook. Step 2. Go to your profile by clicking on your name or profile picture. Step 3. Click on Edit Profile to access your profile settings. Step 4. Look for the Edit button next to your current cover photo and click on it. Step 5. Select Upload Photo from the options that appear. Step 6. Choose your desired photo from your computer files and click on Open to upload it. Step 7. Adjust the photo position and size to your liking, and when you're satisfied, click on Save. And there you have it. You've successfully changed your cover photo on Facebook using your PC. It's a great way to personalize your profile and showcase your style. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials.